Hey fam, what's going on? It's April and I'm out here just looking at the plants. I check on my plants every day. Here are my fig trees. They're leafing up really nicely. I got them last fall. Kept them in the greenhouse all winter long. And it's a cold snap today. It's like in the 40s. And we're in Georgia, zone 8A, so you guys know what I do. I have my warm season plants in here, squashes and cucumbers and watermelon plants here. I got tomato plants in here. See this condensation in here? That's good. That's good. There's some warmth in there. So I showed you guys how I take, because I broke the zipper on this mini greenhouse, because this is where I keep my seedlings. This is where I harden off my seedlings. And so I just draped a Dollar Tree shower curtain, clamped it on both sides. Okay, I'm not trying to hold you guys long, but it's important to check your garden out every day. Check the plants out. So everybody's doing well. You can see in there. See. That's lettuce in there. It might be a little warm for that lettuce, but it's doing okay. Lettuce is a cool season crop, and all of the cucumbers and peppers and all that, they're hot. So just keep them as warm as you can. 'Cause it's really chilly on my arms and breezy. And then here's where, like I made this little makeshift greenhouse. I had a piece of plastic, and this is where all the squashes and zucchini, mini Jack-B Little pumpkins, and you see even in there. See, yesterday when I did this, these flowers didn't open up, and so they opened up overnight. They got warm and toasty. You see another one in there. There's 1, 2, 3. There are 4 flowering squashes in there. And this is the cucurbits. They're all cucurbits. Cucumbers and squashes and pumpkins. They're all in the cucurbit family. And so they're warm season. It got cold. It's before our last frost date. We got another week before the estimated last frost date. And so then the hot temperatures should start coming back. I looked at the 10-day forecast, and yes, next week is going to be 80s, and these plants will love it. So while it's cool and breezy, just going to keep them in here, water them before I close them up, and everything's all good. So just try to inspire you. This is, you can go in and start your plants early. You can start them from seed, but if it gets cold, just cover them up. Keep them warm, even outside. That's all. Just drape something over them, clamp it down. Doesn't have to be complicated. All right. So these are beautiful. Look at that stamen on that. Yeah. All right. So. And these were all, I started them all from seeds inside in my office, So now if I do a succession planting of any of my plants, I'm just going to start the seeds and put them in my little mini greenhouse. And then the heat, they'll germinate in the natural heat. Okay, and then I'm just waiting on these collard green pods to turn brown and to dry out so I can get the seeds in there. So that's why I'm keeping these. All right, let me get back in here. My tea. This is when I boil my water for my tea, and then I come out here while that's boiling and check on everything. See? And that can be done very neatly too. Just cover your cage, have whatever you have. Put some, just cover it up. Keep the warmth in. All right, so I'm getting set up to put the soil in these so that when the weather breaks, we're going to start planting. Thanks, guys. See you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye. Take some time out. Listen to the birds.